Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salim, the son of Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma, was once making tawaf around the Kaaba. And Hisham ibn Abdul Malik, the Khalifa of the time, saw him and approached him and said, "O Salim, ask me for anything of this world. I would love to give you something as a gift." Salim replied that, "I feel shy to ask someone other than Allah while I am in the house of Allah." So Hisham was quiet, but then he waited for him outside of the haram. And when Salim came out, again Hisham ibn Abdul Malik approached him and said, "Look, we're no longer in the house of Allah, so please ask me for something. I'd love to give you something as a gift." Salim asked him, "Do you want me to ask you for something of this world or for something of the hereafter?" And Hisham replied, "Of course, something of this world." And Salim said to him that this world is something which I did not even ask for from the one who owns it. Then why should I ask for it from the one who does not own it? You see, it is the hallmark of the chosen slaves of Allah that they call upon Allah alone, because they know, they believe that the power to bring benefit and the power to protect from harm rests only with Allah Azza wa Jal. So they're not impressed by the wealth of the wealthy people, nor are they afraid of the power of the people of power, because they know that no one can bring benefit or protect against harm except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when they ask Allah alone. And even when they ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for something of this world, the purpose, the goal is to draw closer to Allah, because they are akhirah focused in their du'as. In Surah Maryam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that there is no one in the heavens and the earth except that Atir Rahmani Abda, except that they will come to Ar-Rahman, to Allah Azza wa Jal, as a slave, because everyone, everything belongs to Allah alone. In the upcoming Al-Maghrib class, Purified, Tafsir of Surah Maryam, we go over the du'as of Zakaria alayhi salam, how he called upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and asked him for a child who would ultimately be of benefit to him in the hereafter. So join me in this class as we study the surah and extract lessons related to dua and much more.